kaupapa behind Aku Ararau is simple. It's to bring people passionate about learning te reo and tikanga together. It's also about inspiring them to keep on the journey towards learning te reo me ngā tikanga.
I think Aku Ararau is a snapshot of the great things that are happening at the moment, but it's also a nice way to be able to refuel ourselves, to future-proof and to inspire us to continue to create, to continue to develop and to continue on our pathway. Te reo ai, mātauranga Māori ai, whānau definitely.
Because the education sector is so vast, there's a tendency for the pockets of that sector to operate in isolation. So where you may have kura ko hunga hunga celebrating their success or successes, where you may have primary and secondary doing their thing, and indeed Māori medium and pockets within Māori medium doing their own thing. I think we saw this as an opportunity to bring the whole sector together. But it's not just exclusive to the sector. It's actually open to all of those who share a passion for learning te reo me ngā tikanga.